Police shoots police following road rage incident in Spurtree Hill, Manchester. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. There are conflicting accounts of a shooting incident involving two policemen which occurred in Manchester early Saturday morning, leaving one of them with a minor injury, sources have revealed. It's reported that the two corporals were traveling in separate motor vehicles when the incident occurred along the Spurtree Hill main road around 12:30 a.m. One of the cops is assigned to the Manchester Police Division, while the other is assigned to the Westmoreland Division. The incident is likely to trigger an investigation by both the Independent Commission of Investigations (INDECOM) and the Police Standards Oversight Unit. INDECOM is the body established by law to oversee the security forces and correctional officers. According to sources, the cop assigned to the Manchester Police Division reported that he was traveling along the Spurtree Hill main road when a car overtook a line of traffic and stopped beside his vehicle. He reportedly questioned the driver, who is alleged to have pulled a firearm and opened gunfire in his direction, causing a wound to his forehead. A female companion traveling with him was unhurt. A police report identified a detective corporal assigned to the Westmoreland Division as the person driving the other car and included a conflicting account he provided about how the incident unfolded. The detective corporal claimed that it was the driver of the other car who overtook his vehicle before pulling to the left side of the roadway. He claimed that in response he overtook the other car and overheard the driver directing expletives at him with what appeared to be a gun in his hand. He said he took evasive action and discharged 5 rounds towards the other vehicle before driving to St. Elizabeth, where he reported the incident to the Nain police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.